and good looking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the popper in Fishing Planet. I got two ways. Let's show you the first way. So currently I kind of wasted it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just. Okay, there we go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna let your thing sit there for a while, and as your line is clearly droopy, you're gonna tighten it, and then just casually go pop, pop, pop. Don't go too slow, don't go too fast. This is the easiest way. Other way is not easy as other way is not as easy. The reason it sounds like I'm rushing is because this is my second time making this video. The first time my phone screwed up and stopped the recording, and the second time my game froze. And hopefully this is the last time, because come on now. That's how to explain how to do this like 2 other times. It's my third time. I'm gonna try and get a catch on every no, well, not every cast, every thing, you know? Because why not? Come on, give me a fish. Oh, there we go, everybody. There you go. Is that a bass? No, it's a white bass, but hey, it works with me. How big is it? Oh, look at that chunky monkey. Look at that little boy. What? 1 pound fish. We're not going to keep him because he's a white bass. Now, on with the next method. So, like, literally any other game, well, not a game, any other Larry, you're going to cast it, and you're going to go up to the corner. Doesn't matter if you go there, or anywhere. You're going to go to the corner a little bit, and what you're going to do is you're going to reel it in, boom, and then when you go down, you're going to reel it, as soon as it gets tight, you're going to go straight back up. Boom, 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 boom. Why is my line not getting, like, ling? There we go. It's not giving me any popping. It's not giving me any dots. I don't know why. The lag. After a while, of course, like any other time, the other one, if you don't get any bites and you're close enough, you want to reel it in. It's not gonna pop anymore. So I'm gonna have to do the same thing with this technique. I'm gonna keep casting until I get a fish, so y'all know how it is. Come on, get in here. Let's cast over there. I'm gonna do it on the other side so you know, so y'all know what it looks like on your side. Same technique, boom, 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 boom. I'm not getting much lag. I don't like that because it's not putting the dots. So, as for y'all waiting on me to get a bite, you should subscribe, please. Make our man happy, please. Look at it, like our little man. All he has is his hat. If we catch another fish, you'll see him, because I need a thumbnail. Alright, that's pretty much as close as I want this to be. So, yeah. Let me cast again. As y'all can see, it's taking me a while to catch something. Last technique, I got a fish on the first cast, I think. The reason this is because I'm still learning this technique. I just want to teach other people how this technique. Okay. Just in case you're all curious or something, I am level 31. Come on. Why are you not cooperating with me, sir? Wait, what if I do it like, I was just curious. I'm tweaking. Okay. Let's go ahead and move our current location thinking to this location thinking so I can just cast it right out there and yeetus. So if anyone in here actually, watches me, you should tell me what I should fish for next. Options are gar, carp in a little while, I don't know, catfish, bass, or I can just do stuff like this, just use one rod and walk around with a bait caster, or a spinning rod and reel. Your choice, don't care. As long as I have some type of content to make, and I don't have to think of any, then, I'm Gucci with your idea. Come on, give me a fish, bro. Stop, it's playing around. It knows I'm trying to record. And it's like, no. The lag. I already know why it's lagging. I'm in a private lobby. Is it not doing it correctly or something? Am I not doing this correctly? Or is the game just playing around and messing with me? Don't worry, guys. We will catch a fish some minute. This technique is just harder. Don't mind that. It gives us like 2 dots and then it immediately goes away. Like, what is that about? There we go. Now it's keeping us at 2 dots for like, yep, okay, that's had to say something. Just had to say something. The reason I'm making this tutorial on this a little bit longer, because other ones are short and like you don't get as much time to know what you're doing. Because like they make the video like 1 minute long and you're like, wait, what happened? You know. Who's keeping us at 2 dots? We might get a fish. Oh, there we go, boys and girls. Is that a bass? Yes, sir. 2-pound spotted bass. Hold up, everybody. I gotta get that thumbnail. Alright, everybody. Well, we had some fun. Nice little fishing. Look at this little boy. Nice tutorial. Well, see you on the next video, good looking.